Hi everyone, I'm Kenwer Talukoy and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are here in Bermuda Hills Subdivision, Baguio City to show you this modern, brand new home. Priced at 28 million, this property sits on a 192 square meter lot and offers approximately 200 square meters of floor area. With its south-facing orientation, this home enjoys abundant natural light throughout the day. Complementing its modern architecture, the home features a sleek contemporary facade with expansive glass balconies and clean architectural lights. Inside, you'll find 5 bedrooms, 3 toilet and baths, 1 powder room, and 2 car garage. This home is also equipped with CCTV and a pipe-in music system for added convenience and security. Now, let's begin our tour. At my back is your car gate that leads you to your 2-car garage, and on my right is your pedestrian gate. So, dito tayo dadaan. Upon entering the pedestrian gate, ang bubungan po agad sa atin ay another access going to your second floor. Pero dito na po tayo dadaan. So, greeting us is your 2-car garage. Ayan. This parking space can accommodate 2 full-size SUV. Yan. So, on this area is like your pocket garden. Yan. So, if you're the person who is gustong magtanim ng halaman, yan, for welcoming vibes. So, tara, pasok tayo sa main door. Oh, by the way, on my left is the first bedroom of the house. Yan. So, pwede nyo siyang gawing staff quarters or guest room. Yan. May sarili na din siyang toilet and bath. So, pasok tayo dito sa my main door. So, in front of me is your solid wood-made door with these long railings equipped with smart lock. Yan. So, fluted panels in between your solid wood-made door. So, tara, pasok tayo. So, ang bubungan po sa atin upon entering is a space where you can put your shoe rack, your umbrella. Yan, it's up to you. Very convenient. In this area is your additional space where you can put your tools, your cleaning materials. It's up to you. Let's proceed to the second floor. So yan. With ramps na rin siya with this tempered glass. Fixed windows for natural light. And ayan. Upon stepping our second floor is we are welcomed by this natural light coming from your balcony. So this is like an formal entryway, foyer, that acts like a transition corridor leading to your living area and your dining and kitchen area. But unahin na natin dito sa living area. So upon entering your living area is we are greeted by this accent wall. Yan, no? So apparently this is where you can put your television with track lights na rin siya. So if you want to put fixtures or family picture to highlight, pwede rin yan. So by the way, this house is already equipped with pipe-in music system and CCTV. Yan. All throughout the house na siya. And for the ceiling, modern lights equipped with cove lighting system. Ayan. So on my right is an access going sa parking area. Ayan. So may access rin dito papunta sa my kitchen area, pero doon na tayo dadaan. So, on my right is an access leading you to your balcony. So, given the space, you can do your outdoor dining here. Pwede kayong maglagay dito ng table, do outdoor samji. You can host up and party here. It's up to you, no? While facing this mesmerizing view. So, let's proceed to your dining and kitchen area. So, bago yan, on my left is your powder room. Yan. So, this is your dining area where you can put your 8 to 10 seaters Kasya po yan. Ano? And your kitchen area. So, you have our 4 counter here with, dito nyo ilalagay yung lutuan ninyo. Nakaabang na po yung exhaust. With a plenty of cabinets dito sa taas. Built-in cabinets for storage. And an L-shaped counter here with your sink po. Yan. So, an additional counter here. Cabinets for storage and a space where you can put your 2-door refrigerator ref. Yan. Kasya po yan. And yeah, on my right is an access going to the parking space. Yan, sa baba. Yung nakakonect po dun sa my living area. So, in this portion naman po is your for laundry area. Yan, nakaabang na po yung faucet. And there is an additional countertop here with sink. No? So, pwede rin tong maging dirty kitchen. Yan. Let's proceed to the 3rd floor of the house. Walking up the stairs leading to the 3rd floor, we are greeted by these fixed windows. Ayan. Expect natural light all throughout the day, no? Sa dami ng fixed windows. Complementing this, aesthetic look lights. So this is the 3rd floor of the house. So entering your bedroom 2 or your master's bedroom. Yan. So still we are welcomed by this natural light coming from the balcony. Yan. With this accent wall. So pwede kayong maglagay ng TV dito. Yan, may nakaabang ng socket. With this countertop here, pwede kayong maglagay ng fixtures dito, your preference. Yan. So, this is the accent wall, meaning, dito nyo pong pwedeng ilagay yung bed frame ninyo. Yan. For the ceiling, cove lighting system, modern lights, and your balcony, of course. So, given that the orientation of this house is facing south, the sunrise is on your left, and the sunset is on your right. So, let's proceed to your walk-in closet. So, left and right is closet para sa mag-asawa po yan. A plenty of cabinets and the closet itself. So, malawak-lawak po siya. Marami po kayong pwedeng ilagay na gamit dito. Yan. And of course, the master's toilet and bath. Yan. So, may tempered glass na divider dito, giving separate transition for the overhead shower and your toilet. And of course, your sink with this horizontal mirror. Yan. So, let's proceed naman po. The moment that you're entering from the master's bedroom is parang nasa-sense mo na agad yung sense of aesthetic vibes, no? Given the color of these aesthetic lights with the cove lightings in the ceiling and of course, these track lights, parang masa-sense mo na parang similar siya sa hallway ng hotel. Yan. Samano pa yan ng 5-in music system, sabay nagpapatugtog ka ng welcoming music. Yan. So, welcome to the bedroom 3 of this house. And still, natural lights coming from your balcony. Though umuulan ngayon, yan. May view pa rin siya. And of course, this cabinet, beside is pwede nyong lagyan ng office table. May socket ng nakaabang. Your bed frame, queen size, kasya po yan. And for the ceiling, your modern lights and cove lighting system. Let's proceed to the bedroom 4 of this house. So, similar siya sa bedroom 3 with its own balcony, cabinet, open layout design, modern lights and cove lighting system for the ceiling. And your last bedroom of this house or the bedroom 5. So, ang kinaibahan ng bedroom na ito from the bedroom na dalawa that we have seen earlier is that the orientation is facing in the another orientation. So may balcony siya, pero may cross ventilation pa rin ng hangin. So malamig pa rin siya. Ayan. And of course, this is where you put your bed frame. Queen size, kasha yan. With modern lights in the ceiling, with cove lighting system. And of course, your built-in cabinet. Yan. And of course, your common toilet and bath in this level. So, it has an overhead shower, your toilet, your sink, and of course, your smart mirror. This is your common toilet and bath for these 3 bedrooms of this level of this house. So, yeah. If you're interested, all details is posted below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.